Okay, so OpenAI just dropped something that might fundamentally change how we all interact with artificial intelligence. It's called the Agent Builder, and wow, it promises to put the power of creating custom AI into pretty much everyone's hands. Let's break down what this actually means.
I want you to just imagine for a second. What if you could have a version of ChatGPT that's built just for you? I mean, one that can search the web, connect to all your apps, sort through your emails, or maybe even help you run your business. What sounds like total science fiction is, well, it's quickly becoming our reality.
So, at the very heart of this is OpenAI's brand new Agent Builder. It's part of a much bigger platform they're calling AgentKit. And the goal here is actually pretty simple. Let anyone, and I mean anyone, from developers to creators, build their very own custom AI agent.
So what exactly is Agent Builder? Well, think of it like a no-code playground for AI. Instead of needing to be a programming genius, you get this really intuitive visual interface to design an AI's behavior right from the ground up. No coding required. And the process? It's designed to be incredibly straightforward. First, you just connect it to your data sources and the tools you already use every day, things like Slack or Google Drive. Next, you use a simple drag-and-drop editor to map out exactly what you want your agent to do. And finally, boom, you can deploy it instantly to your website or inside your product.
Honestly, the best way to think about this is as the ChatGPT app maker that so many of us have been waiting for. It's a tool that takes all the raw power of a large language model and puts the steering wheel for shaping it directly into your hands.
So, why is this such a huge deal?
Come on, you're probably asking that. It's because this represents a fundamental shift. We're moving away from the world where you needed complex coding for everything and moving towards a world where everyone gets creative control over AI.
Look, until now, building a truly smart AI agent was just incredibly difficult. It took expert developers tons of time to stitch together different models, APIs, and databases. Agent Builder just flips that script. It brings everything into a single visual platform, empowering both developers and, well, the rest of us to finally create. And make no mistake, this is not just a toy. Professional developers can now build some incredibly complex and reliable systems way, way faster. I'm talking customer support bots that actually remember the history of a conversation or research agents that can find and summarize information from all across the web. It's a massive leap.
But Agent Builder? That's really just the user-friendly front door. The real power, the engine running behind it all, is the AgentKit ecosystem. So let's take a quick peek under the hood at the components that make all this possible.
AgentKit provides this full suite of professional-grade tools. You've got components like ChatKit to actually embed the AI into your apps and connectors to link up to popular services. But crucially, it also includes tools for control and safety, things like guardrails to set the rules, observability to track performance, and versioning so you can easily roll back if something goes wrong. It's the whole package.
This quote just perfectly captures the scale of what we're talking about here. It's like you're combining the incredible conversational power of ChatGPT, the coding environment of a platform like Replit, and the app automation of a service like Zapier, all in one place. This isn't just an agent builder, it's a complete AI development platform.
This launch isn't just about a cool new tool. It's a massive signal about where the entire AI industry is heading. We're moving way beyond the idea of just one single all-powerful chatbot.
The future isn't one big AI. It's millions of smaller, highly specialized agents, each one custom-built for a very specific job. This is really the first big step into that world, where everyone has their own team of AI assistants working for them.
Just think about the possibilities for your own life for a minute. You could have one agent dedicated to planning all your travel, and another one to help manage your investments, or even one that helps you run your social media. It's all about creating a personalized team of digital experts.
So who is this for? Well, the answer is pretty much everyone. Startups can automate their customer support. Big companies can build internal AIs to manage their documents. Developers can create and sell their own niche AI tools. And individual creators can even embed their own branded AI right on their websites.
When you get right down to it, what OpenAI is doing is laying the foundation for a brand new kind of app store. But instead of apps, it's going to be filled with AI agents. And Agent Builder is the tool that empowers everyone to become a developer for this new ecosystem.
So let's be really clear here. Agent Builder isn't just another feature. It marks the start of a whole new AI revolution, one where anyone, literally anyone, can design their own digital brain,
automate their work, and even build new businesses on top of this technology.
So the whole conversation is shifting. It's no longer about if you're going to use AI in your life or your work. The real question, the one we all have to start asking ourselves now, is what kind of AI will you create?